Welcome to our channel, where we make managing your travel apps simple and straightforward. Today we are going to show you how to change your full name in the Hopper app on your phone. Whether you need to update your profile for accuracy or personal reasons, this guide will make the process easy to follow. First, open the Hopper app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the profile icon at the top left. Next, find and tap on the Edit Profile button. After that, tap on the email field to enter your new email address. Next, press Continue to proceed. Then, Hopper will send a verification code to your new email address. After receiving the email, open it and copy the verification code provided. Finally, return to the Hopper app, paste the code into the verification field, and tap Verify to complete the process. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your email address in the Hopper app. This ensures you stay informed about your travel plans and receive timely notifications. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Hopper's customer support for assistance.